Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So, it's been like 9 months or 10 months since nakapagawa ako ng video guys. Kasi super busy ko na talaga in my college life. May balak akong mag-rebranding ng aking YouTube channel. Gusto ko na namang ibang aesthetic. Tomorrow, I have a flight. Kaya nagawa ko tong video na to. Kung wala pa akong flight book kasi hindi ko pala talaga tong video na to. But, this is a very long overdue video of an unboxing of my iPad. My iPad Pro 6th generation 12.9 Cellular. So, ayun, nabili ko pa to siya guys nung February. And it's already June now. Mag-July na actually. July na next week. So, ganun na siya katagal. Very long overdue. So, this is what it came with. I bought this in Davao, SM Lanang PowerMac. So, ayan. Ito yung kanyang price for those who are wondering. Ayan siya, guys. It's a very expensive. Kaya minsan, takot akong masira siya or mawala. So, this is the box it came with. Ang ganda talaga ng box niya. Yung box niya yung gusto ko actually. So, obviously, na-open ko na tong iPad ko and ilang beses ko na siyang nagamit for my studying. This is a sign, guys, na magbili kayo iPad for your college life or school life kasi it's very helpful talaga, especially now na ang mga studying materials is mostly in PDF form. Di na tayo minsan gumagamit ng books. And it is very, very useful. So, this is how it came. Naka-on na yung iPad ko actually. So, I'm sorry. Kasi nilagay ko lang siya for the purpose of unboxing. So, ayan. Let's tanggal the iPad. Very scary. Ayan. Kunwari bago. Tada! So, this is it. The iPad Pro. Ayan siya, guys. Ang laki niya actually. Very big. So, ang ganda ng space gray na color. I'll show you what is the inclusions. So, ito yung for Apple stuff. The charger and the charger. We have a manual, I guess. The pin, kasi it's an cellular. Ayan, nandito yung pin. Kasi yung pin ko sa phone na ginagamit ko pang open, so I don't use it. A sticker. So, talaga gamitin yung sticker ng Apple, pero I don't know where to put it. Then, manual. I don't really read the manual that much, but I should read this. And, ayun lang. Actually, ang laman niya. Wala na siyang laman. Diba? So, maybe I'll read this one later if may time pa ako. Kasi mag-i-impake pa ako, guys. My flight is 9 AM tomorrow. And it's already 11 PM. Pati pa naman sa pag-i-impake, guys. Nagka-cram pa rin ako. For my iPad, bumili rin ako ng parang jelly case. And meron din akong magic keyboard. But it's there. Medyo tinatamad ako kunin. Do I get it for you? Char. Ito yung keyboard, guys, na binili ko for the iPad. This one is not the original from Apple. It's just a dupe from Shopee. And it's still very expensive. I think nabili ko to siya 4,000. But the original, guys, it's like 15,000. So expensive. So, ito yung kanyang box. Ayan. Okay. Yun yung charger. Then, this is the magic keyboard. So, it looks like from the one from Mac. Ayan siya, guys. And it's really nice. And pwede mo rin siyang mailaw. Ayan. Can you see? Pwede siyang mag-ilaw, guys. Kung gusto mo. Pero you can turn it off naman. And you can choose a color. So, it's magnetic. Medyo natatakot ako actually. Kahit magnetic siya. So, here is the iPad, right? So, you just put it here. Ang bigat niya. Actually, very bigat. Ayan. Oh my God, ay, wala akong trust dito. Ayan, nalagay ko na siya. And then, oh, look. Oh my God. Oh my God, makatakot. So, ayan na siya, guys. As you can see. Nadikit na siya. Mukha ko po yun nasa iPad. I'm so very sorry. See, it's already 10:58. 10:58. Self-love. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung gusto ko sa iPad. So, I'll go to the files. So, here, I keep my, some of my PDFs. Ito, sabi natin sa econ namin, guys. So, as you can see here is our PowerPoint and nag-highlight ako. Ayan. Here is the free version for the files. Kung ayaw niyong gumasto sa app. Ayan siya, right? Oh my god, why am I orange na? And I'm very sorry, hindi ko alam ba't ako naging orange, but here is for the PowerPoints. Ayan, so you could edit. And masuggest ko rin guys yung Good Notes na app. This was suggested to me by Rachel, my very nice friend. Here is where I edit na or where I study. Like this one. Kasi ang ganda niya mag-highlight. You can choose a lot of colors for the highlight. Stuff like that. So, why am I turning orange? So, ayun guys. I don't know ano pa yung papakita ko dito sa inyo sa iPad na to. Pero yung nabili ko siya, meron siyang free na Apple TV subscription. Apple TV, Apple Arcade. Ayun. So, I have free for both of those. And ang ganda nito, kasi since I also have a Mac, actually Apple na lahat ng gadget ko, so it's very easy to transfer pictures, to transfer files, kasi AirDrop lang ako. So, masasuggest ko if you're like an Apple user, mag-ano na rin kayo ng Mac or ng iPad para like ang bilis sila ng pag-transfer ng files. Kunwari, kailangan yung pumasa ng assignment, so you could just use AirDrop or like cloud sharing. And ang gusto-gusto dito guys is manood ng Netflix kasi the screen is so big. Ayan, nag-promote na tayo. Ayan, diba? So nice. And ang masuggest ko talaga is buy the cellular than the Wi-Fi only. Kasi kahit saan guys, kung estudyante ka, kailangan mo talaga ng data. Kasi kung mag-Wi-Fi, maghanap ka pa ng Wi-Fi or you connect to your phone. Ayan, so mas maganda talaga yung data siya. 5G. So, ayun lang naman, I guess, ang mapakita ko sa iPad na to. I'm not really an expert yet with the iPad actually. Marami pa akong tutorials na panoorin or mga tricks kung paano siya gamitin to the fullest. So, ayun lang naman guys. Bala ko ngayong taon bumalik sa YouTube and I will try to create more content and I'll try to vlog my student life here in Iloilo. Makaya ko kasi incoming third year na ako guys and it's very hard na. So, I'll try talaga. So, yun lang naman. Bye-bye!